How you guys doing? My name is Oki Woke. I'm with Making Noise. I wanted to wish you guys a very happy Valentine's Day. So here for Valentine's Day, I'm celebrating with my wife and went out and bought her some chocolates. I didn't just buy her any kind of chocolate though, I wanted to buy her the best. So I went out and I got fair trade chocolate. As you guys know, we're running a campaign called the Sweet Freedom Campaign, and we're bringing awareness to children that are trafficked and forced into child labor on cocoa farms in West Africa. So we want to give people an alternative to the kind of chocolate that they buy and kind of educate consumers on the kind of chocolate they should purchase. So we actually have here a different variety of fair trade chocolate. All sorts of flavors, different kinds and different brands and companies. You can tell that chocolate is fair trade by looking at the seal on the lower corner of the packaging. This is from the Rainforest Alliance. It's certified by the Rainforest Alliance, so you can check that out. And you can also look for this seal, which shows that it's certified by the Fair Trade Association. So different kinds of chocolates that you can have that are not produced with child labor. So what we're going to do here, me and my wife, we're going to enjoy our evening and have a tasting. So I'm going to keep this really smooth, pour out some red wine, and we're going to enjoy this and have a tasting with our chocolates. You guys, happy Valentine's Day.
Oh my gosh, babe. Thank you so much for buying me fair trade chocolate. Okay guys, so Oki mentioned that we're running a Sweet Freedom campaign with our friend Jamie Wyckoff of Julia's Poppies. And basically what we're bringing awareness to is the issue of child labor, child trafficking on cocoa farms in West Africa. So Oki was cool enough to buy me 5 different brands of fair trade chocolate. Not that these are the only types, but these are just some like a sampling of those that we found in stores near where we live here in DC. So let me show you the first one. I'm going to taste and kind of give you my opinion on which one tastes the best. All right. The first one we're going to try here is Larabar Chocolat. It's a chocolate hazelnut food bar. It looks really hearty, very robust. So let's see how it tastes. This is really good. It has a really neutral taste. Not too strong either way. The next one we have here is Green and Black's Organic Chocolate. Peanut and sea salt variety. Oki told me that he got this from Giant. This is fair trade certified. This one is really good. It has a really light taste, and the sea salt does amazing things to it. The next one is Salazan Chocolate Company. Oki said he got this one from Marvelous Market, which is just right here in Washington, D.C. This is dark chocolate also with natural sea salt. That one's good too. I can't taste the sea salt as much in that one as I can in the Green and Blacks. Endangered Species, we got this one from Yes Organic. This is dark chocolate with cacao nibs and acai. This is good. Also has a very neutral palate to it. The last one is Chocolate Mexicano, a Taza chocolate. This is, you can eat it as is, or it's also a drinking chocolate. This one is really interesting. It has a bit of chili in it, so it kind of has a bite at the end of it. Okay, so out of tasting all of the 5, I'd probably say my top 2 are the milk chocolate Green and Blacks with the peanut and sea salt, and also the chocolate Mexicana with the chili in it. But my number 1 between those 2, I kind of have to choose the Green and Blacks. I'm a milk chocolate kind of girl, and the sea salt was to die for. So next time when you're buying chocolate, go out and buy fair trade chocolate. You're buying chocolate that was guaranteed to not have the use of child slaves. Bye guys. Happy Valentine's Day, and keep making noise.